Welcome back to another cooking session. Today what we're preparing is shawarma. I call it my African shawarma. It's going to be a very quick one and very simple. Not too many ingredients. We'll be preparing it with chicken. This is the raw chicken here. It's not yet seasoned. These are the ingredients we're going to be using to season the chicken. We have fresh pepper, we have onions, we have seasoning cubes here. Then also part of what we're going to be using is we have pepperoni sausages. For it, we have salt to season the chicken. Then we have mayonnaise and ketchup. What we have here too, we have carrots and cabbage. You can see very simple ingredients. So watch us. Thank you. What we have this is the blender. What we have in it is the onions, pepper. We have the seasoning cube, and we added salt to it. So we want to blend it, then pour it over the chicken. This is the chicken. This is the seasoning. It's then pouring it over the chicken. You can see. We have finished seasoning. This is the chicken. Mixed it, the spices, with the chicken. So we want to set it on fire to cook for like say 10 minutes. Well, we have removed the chicken from the pot. We want to let it cool off before we debone it. This is the chicken here. This is the sausage. We want to season. We want to put it back into the seasoning pot, and I like to cook for a while so the sausage can taste very, very, very well. Okay, this is it here. The sausage is on fire. We want to allow it to cook for like say 2 to 3 minutes. We have finished deboning the chicken. This is just the flesh, the meat. We are cutting it in these sizes. Then the sausages, we've removed it from the fire. You know, it's cooked already. We grated the carrot, and we are cutting the cabbage. These are the sizes we are cutting it into, and we're gonna add it into here. We want to now mix the mayonnaise and ketchup. We have a little garlic. We grated a little garlic inside here, you know, to allow it taste well. We are making what they call Oyibo man they talk 1,000 island. What we have here, we are mixing the mayonnaise and the ketchup inside this bowl. We have little garlic inside it here. We're going to use it. The aim of this is to mix it with the carrot and cabbage that we have here already. You know, we're going to mix this. We are pouring it inside now. You can see. Now we're going to mix this with the carrot and cabbage. We almost finished mixing it. This is what it looks like. We are done. This is the tomatoes. We've cut it into two tiny slices. We are removing the seeds. You know, we don't want it to be mushy. Well, mixing it with the shawarma. Yeah, this is, we are doing the shawarma now. Remember, this is the shawarma bread. They call it the unleavened bread. These are what Jesus chop during his own time. It's not made with yeast. So you add the mixture. Remember that this mixture is just, to summarize our mixture, this is carrot and cabbage mixed here with little garlic. This is chicken, and this is sausage, and this is tomatoes. So it's very easy. Then we'll put our chicken here. This is our chicken. Then put it here. The sausage. Then this. The people we are serving, they like extra ketchup, so we'll just put little ketchup. Then we're gonna turn it. You can see the way I'm doing it. I'm turning it, turning up, roll it up. So this is how it looks like. Then I fold these edges. Then put it here. We have done wrapping the whole of the shawarma. We've now put it inside the oven. And you see it, we're doing it for a lot of people.